Hi friend, it's Misha. Welcome to one of our mini episodes where I share a story with you that has nothing to do with your life, but in a fun way helps you think about your life. I believe when we can look at our life in an abstract way, it can help open up insights about ourselves that we have never seen before. Let's jump in. Today's story is called The Heart in the Bottle, and it's actually a beautiful picture book by Oliver Jeffers. I'll fill in a few little absences that you would have by not seeing the pictures. Let's get started. Once there was a little girl, much like any other, whose head was filled with all of the curiosities of the world, with thoughts of the stars, with wonder at the sea. She took delight in finding new things, so many things, and those things were done with her father. Her father explored and adventured with her and showed her the world through books as they sat in his chair together. And one day, she found the chair was empty. Feeling unsure, the girl thought the best thing to do would be to put her heart in a safe place, just for the time being. So, she put it in a bottle and hung it around her neck. And that seemed to fix things at first. Although, in truth, nothing was the same. She forgot about the stars and stopped taking notice of the sea. She was no longer filled with all of the curiosities of the world and didn't take much notice of anything other than how heavy and awkward the bottle had become. But at least her heart was safe. It might never have occurred to the girl what to do had she not met someone smaller and still curious about the world. This darling little girl on the beach asked her about elephants swimming in the ocean. And there was a time when the girl would have known how to answer her, but not now. Not without her heart. And it was right at that moment she decided to get it back out of the bottle. But she didn't know how. She couldn't remember. And nothing seemed to work. The bottle couldn't be broken. It just bounced and rolled right down to the sea. But there, it occurred to someone smaller and still curious about the world that she might know a way. And it just so happened she did. The heart was put back where it came from by continuing to do the things her father taught her to do. And the chair wasn't so empty anymore, but the bottle was. All right, I hope you're looking for the lessons from these stories that make you think. If there's any questions or insights you have, don't forget to reach out. I would love to hear from you. You can DM me on Instagram at myfriendmisha. I'm here for you. I'm here for you to help you take a little bit of time for a mindset check that will alter your days and by so doing, alter your life. I'm here to remind you that in your life you have more power than you think you do by breaking it down and walking through it with you. And I'm here to help you feel encouragement radiating from your body to live the amazing life that's in front of you. Keep on keeping, my friends.